Hey folks, how does a browser agent decide which button to click? Here's the basic loop: observe, decide, act. The agent first observes the page by asking the DOM parser for the current state. The parser returns the DOM structure, and the agent decides what to do next by enqueuing an action into the action queue. The action queue holds the next action and hands it to the browser for execution. The browser executes the action, updating the page. Then it sends the new DOM back to the parser and the loop repeats. That's the core loop: observe, decide, act. But what happens when an action fails? As we just saw, the agent observes the page state, enqueues an action, the browser executes it, and the DOM updates. Let's trace a single action cycle starting with the observation. The action queue passes the click event to the browser, which executes it and triggers a re render of the DOM. The parser picks up the changes and feeds them back to the agent. And with that, the agent is ready to observe again. That single cycle works perfectly until the button doesn't exist. When an action fails, say the button moved, the action queue flags it. It notifies the recovery module. Recovery triggers a replan. The agent adjusts its plan based on the new DOM state. The agent re-enqueues the corrected action. The action queue retrieves execution in the browser. The agent replans and retries. Recovery is built into the loop. We started with the agent's basic loop: observe, enqueue, execute, update. But real systems need recovery. When an action fails, the recovery module intercepts. The agent replans and the loop continues. That's how it actually works under the hood. Subscribe to this channel for system design breakdowns. Catch you in the next one.